Here goes April and Sarah. And Samantha.
Hold on a second, alright, I'm about to reverse.
Okay.
Goofy like on reverse.
Alrighty then. They've always been a little bit backwards. These are the kind of things you can do out here in Fayette County. Oh, they keep going backwards.
Hey. Tell him.
Oh, there's Grandpa and Aiden. Say hi. Hi, Aiden.
Say hi. Hi. Hi.
There's Uncle Mikey. Hey, Mikey.
Hi.
Hi.
Yep. Not doing very good fishing, but it's an adventure.
Oh, you gotta check out his new shoes.
Yeah, these are Bear Grylls style.
Yes, those are the adventure shoes. The Adventures of Mikey Stemmer shoes.
Yep. Make me get my pocket knife out. I am ready.
Oh God, here they come. Sweetness.
Look at the horse! Go look at the horse, Doobie!
Which horse?
Go look at this brown horse behind the car. Do you see anything wrong with that?
That is Woody Owl.
Is there something wrong with that picture? What is that?
What is... Okay, April wants to know what this is. Does anybody have a clue?
What is it?
Pull past and we can see.
Okay.
Yeah, that's his ding dong.
That's a rather...
Why does it look like that?
He's a big animal. He's got a big
It
ding
didn't
dong.
look like that a minute ago.
Maybe he's excited. He likes apples.
Now it's gone.
He likes
All
apples.
the apples are gone.